Since we're not in the mountains, most of our customers and clients do want to take their vehicles to the beach and experience the car to its fullest capabilities that it's built to do.
We're here today with Land Rover Cape Fear and their customers. The reason why we're out here is to provide Land Rover owners a taste of what Land Rover is all about and get them more familiar with the capabilities that each of their vehicles has. With any kind of off-roading event, there is an inherent risk of something happening. You know, you're not on pavement. In Overland Experience, we follow tread lightly, good stewardship of our natural resources while also respect others and the environment as well as wildlife.
Through events like this, we're trying to promote teamwork, inspire conservation, and create our everlasting memories.
Yeah, the number one thing for me is just getting them very comfortable and familiar with their Land Rover. So coming out to these things provides really good knowledge and instruction for owners who may not otherwise be familiar with it.